Everyone, welcome back to this channel. So first of all, I want to just let you guys know that I've started doing something called best strategy sheets. So it's pretty much a list of my best strategies in this channel that I've personally known to work. So I did a video. My last video was about the breakout strategy and the Nadaraya Watson indicator, and it is right here. So in my future videos, I will include the best strategies that I've discovered on this sheet. I may not have spelled this well. Nadaraya plus breakout. So this by far is one of my favorites. It definitely works. So do try it out. But on this video, we are going to be trying something different. We're going to be trying out the Nadaraya Watson indicator plus something a little bit different, which is our supply and demand, right? We are going to try the Nadaraya Watson indicator plus supply and demand zones. Cool. Now I'm just gonna hide this indicator quickly. I'm gonna go to my indicators. I'm gonna search for supply and demand. I'm gonna take the one. I think it's this one. It is not this one, fortunately. Give me a second. Should be able to find it. Delete. Is it Lux Algo? Should be Lux Algo. Oh yes, I found it. Cool. So once you have your supply and demand, so obviously I want you to know that the blue is supply and the orange is demand, right? So whenever price gets into these zones, for example, this right here it's a demand, it's a supply zone, right? It's extended so that whenever price comes back into the zone in the future, we can definitely look for a sell. And this is a demand zone right here. Let's refine it nicely. See, whenever price comes to that zone in the future, well, price has broken it, but whenever price comes to that zone, it could be a potential sell zone or a buy zone. Cool. So, but we're gonna work based on past data. So we're gonna add our Lux Algo indicator. Gonna enable that. Oh, I think I deleted it. Cool. Gonna add that. So, cool, man. Let's try it out. So, as you can see, we had a supply zone marked out here in blue, right? In blue, price eventually came back into that zone. It broke out for another Nadaraya Watson indicator. The breakout of the band is very crucial. No breakout, no trade, literally. So it broke out, and that was a nice sell. You see, that was a nice sell. The moment it breaks out of the Nadaraya Watson indicator and closes back in, you want to take your sell, right? Now let's try. I'm gonna try something else. Now, let me just look for another example for you guys. All right, cool. Here's another example. You can see this supply zone over here. It's extended. Price came back into it, broke out our Watson indicator, and closed back in. That's gonna be a nice trade to take. Stop loss over the high right there, and then a nice sell over there. Cool. As you can see there, that was also a nice supply zone. You can see right there. I don't need to draw it, it's already drawn here. Price came, broke out of the Nadaraya Watson indicator. That was a nice sell. Broke out the Nadaraya Watson indicator, gave us a nice sell. That was gonna be a nice sell. And as you can see, that was a beautiful trade. Now, the two simple rules: wait for price to get into a supply or demand zone, wait for a breakout of the band, and a close back in, and take your sell or you take your buy. Simple as that. Try this strategy, back test it before you go into a live market. All right, always back test any strategy that I post on this channel before you try it on the live market. That is very crucial. And yeah, man, I hope you enjoyed this video. Drop a like. If you have any questions, drop them below and I'll be happy to answer them. See you in the next video.